I'm going to show you a different recipe today. This is a flatbread with a filling. Let's do the bread dough. For that I'm using 425 grams plain flour with 225 milliliters warm water, about 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters oil, and salt to your taste. So let's start doing the dough. You can hand knead this dough, but when you do it in a machine for a longer time, it stretches really well. Add the flour into a mixing bowl. Into that add the salt, oil, and then add the warm water and start mixing. When you even hand knead this one, at least knead it 5 minutes. So the dough is ready. Leave it about 30 minutes to rest, and let's prepare the filling ingredients. So these are the filling ingredients that I am going to use. Half a bunch of spring onions or green onions, 2 onions, 1 carrot, few green chilies, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of melted butter, and Parmesan cheese. This is optional. Salt, pepper, and half of a sausage I already cooked in the microwave. So let's start doing it. If you like, you can cook this or add raw, because it's going to be cooked again with the bread. First chop the sausage into small pieces. Now the onions. Green chilies. Grate the carrot. Now the green onions. Add everything into a bowl. Cheese, then the salt and the pepper, melted butter, and mix well. So leave it aside. Now into this I add a bit of mayonnaise. You can omit this if you don't like it. Now let's do the next part of the recipe. The dough rested enough and it's really soft. So punch down and cut it into equal parts. Take each piece and then press down and leave it on the bench. So take one part, press and make a ball, and you can use oil to stretch this, or you can use a rolling pin with a bit of flour. When you do this recipe, make sure to stretch the dough as much as you can. So it is very stretchy. You can stretch it like this too. So all you need to do is kneading the dough well and keeping the dough to rest a little bit so the gluten works. Now let's take the mix. 1 spoonful. Always make sure to add a lot of filling and then fold it this way. Press, press and bring it upwards and make sure to seal the ends like this. Remove the air by pressing a little bit and put it on a tray. Let's do a few and start cooking. The next one. When you do this, make sure to add a bit of flour so it is easy to stretch. Now into a pan, add some oil and put the bread that you prepared and cook on both sides until golden brown. So they are ready. Now I'm going to transfer this onto a wire rack and doing the next batch. So I finished making them and I'll cut one to show you how it looks like. It's a really soft bread that you can try at home, and you can prep this ahead and cook this later, or you can freeze this after cooking or before cooking too. And make sure to add lots of filling, and you can serve this as it is or even with a nice condiment. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.